Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the very important stage of the crypto bull run is upon us. The next 1 to 2 months are going to be very critical. I mean, you can see that Bitcoin is just trying to get to its all-time high, while Dogecoin is trying to break the resistance around 16.5 cents, while BNB is setting some new standards with being over $700 per coin. Now keep in mind, this is going to be the perfect time to get into a token because you guys know meme coins have been leading the chart and BNB is helping push that even further. And there is one token which I have been talking about from the past 3 weeks, and the one I'm talking about is VNR AI. Now this token has done some crazy numbers. Since the first time I talked about it, they raised about $200,000. Right now they have raised over $4.6 million, and keep in mind, this is still the beginning. There's still so much yet to happen. It's still in the pre-sale stage. I mean, if you just go to their Twitter page, you can see that their posts are getting a lot of attention. First of all, they have over 11,000 followers. Now this tweet, which was made, studying, watching, waiting, VNR AI trading bot takes what happened in the past and hand delivering winning crypto trades to users. Now 5,000 views in just 10 hours with 11,000 views yesterday and 15,000 views the day before. This clearly shows that there is a lot of people which are paying very close attention to this token. At the same time, this token is not only something that's meme related. Once it's goes live, there's not going to be much happening. This token has so much that's actually backing up its claims. First of all, if you do decide to purchase it right now, you can stake it, and when you do decide to stake it, you get 233% return per annum, so that's a lot of return. Secondly, they have some very big stuff that's going to be happening, and the biggest one being VNR AI, the actual AI enhanced trading bot that they're going to be releasing with sausage swap that will also be part of it, 0 fees and MEV protection. This is going to be one of the first things that we see in the crypto market, because yes, we have seen trading bots that have come out, but seeing an AI enhanced trading bot, let's just say this has a lot of potential to make some big headlines. At the same time, if you want to talk about their tokenomics, only 30% is going to the pre-sale, with 20% going to staking, 20% to the community rewards, and 20% to marketing. What's really important about this is the 20% that's going to staking. This will allow a lot of users to be able to receive a lot of APY per year when they decide to stake their token. And why is this good? Well, a lot more people are more likely to hold it for the long period of time. Now the pre-launch has been launched. The step 2 is pretty much what's in the overall what's happening right now, but overall the token listing and the long wait is over. After that, the trading bot will go live, and trust me, there will be so many whales which will be jumping on this token. If you do want to buy it, it's actually very simple to do so. You just go onto their website. I'll link it down in the description. You just click on connect your wallet, and then you just need to simply connect your wallet, select how much tokens, let's say 1 Ethereum, that you want to convert to VNR AI. Right now the price is 1 VNR AI to 0.00071, but in 2 days that price will be increasing. Most likely the pre-sale, in my idea, will be ending close to 15 million, and then the token will be going live, and there is so much potential for the tokens which start off so strong. I mean, a good example of that, you guys know, is pretty much Book of Memes, just to give you perspective, sitting at 950 million. So if that decides to happen, even if you invest right now, it's sitting at 5 million. You guys can do the maths, that's still close to 200x your money. Now if you do decide to stake it, I mean, the return is pretty good, 233%, and you will be receiving it constantly. Talking about their Twitter, good following. Talking about their Telegram, over 8.5k subscribers. The audit has been done, and again, there is no problems with the audit, just literally no problem. Critical, high, medium, low, nothing is wrong with this token. If you do want to purchase it, as I mentioned, I'll link it down in the description. Honestly, superb project that has a long way to go. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.